Welcome friends. In this session we are going to learn about the arguments for the shell scripting. The arguments in the shell scriptings are nothing but the values we are passing to the script before script execution. It means that we are giving the values to the script while we are executing the scripts. Let's see how we are passing the arguments and what are the arguments we can pass and what values are getting stored in which variables. Okay. First, we'll create a script name argument 1.sh. So first I'll give some shebang values to the script slash bin slash bash. Okay. So here the arguments. In the last session we have learned about the variables. In that variable part we have seen that we are creating some variables to the scripts like name is equals to like this, but in this session we are passing a values like Sunil to the script and which is getting accessed by the script. So the arguments of the scripts start with the zero position. Okay. So most of the peoples will have the ideas about that array also start with the zero position. So the arguments are nothing but the array only, but this is not the completely array. We'll see the first parameter, that is I said zero value. So echo, we just have to access the position numbers of the respective arguments. So here uh, script name. Okay, so $0. So in every argument the $0 value is a script name. Okay, so it means that our first position value is the script name and then our actual arguments start. So let's see how this is working. So here the 0 is a variable which the stored value with the script name. Let's see. Now I'm executing the script argument dot sh. See the script name argument1 dot sh. Here. So now if you want to pass some values to the script, we can pass a multiple values to the script with the position arguments. So let's take an example here. We'll take echo. I am taking a echo because it is very easy to understand that which argument or which position values we are taking and we are printing. We can use that, we can store that values into the variables with the position names, and we can use any other purpose as well. We can do some arithmetic operations, we can concatenate the strings, we can do much more things. Okay, but for that easy understanding I am doing the echo statements over here. So let's we'll take channel name. Okay, $1, and I am closing this. So first argument I am passing to the script is a channel name. So virtue mentor, this is our channel name, so I'm passing this. So see here, now we have the two values printed using this script. One is argument 1.sh, which is nothing but the position 0, and another is virtue mentor. So this is the channel name which we are using. We can also pass a string like name, full name, or something like that. It means that values having some spaces in between that. So like that. echo full name colon dollar. So passing such values is not a big challenge, just a double quotes to that value. So that Sunil Nare with the space is a one value and which is a $2 value. So let's see here. Yes. So we can also pass a string, or we can also pass one bigger sentence as well. Okay, just we have to put that value into the double quotes. Here we can also pass some numbers. Okay, let's take numbers. Echo favorite number. So my favorite number is 20. Okay, sorry, not here, we have to pass it there, which is 3. So we'll pass this number to the script before execution. So here is the number as well. So what happening in these arguments, we are passing these arguments before script is getting execution. So these are the values we are passing, and most important thing, we are not storing these values, or we are not creating any variables. We are not creating any special name variable for these values. So all these arguments are stored with the positions of that arguments. If I change the position of these arguments, that value or that data will get changed. I will show you in this example what I'll do. I'll change the position. So here for the full name I am passing the number, favorite number, and for the favorite number variables we are passing the full name. It means that I am just changing the position of the values, so it will completely get changed. So see here. So this is the major difference between that positions argument. So what position, which value you are passing, which is most important, and that we have to take care during the execution of the script.